Hello girls. Chapter 2 Parallel Lines and Transversal from Standard 8 Subject Mathematics. Today we are going to study angles made by transversal. There are three different types of angles made by transversal. First, corresponding angles, second, interior angles, and third is the alternate angles. So what is mean by corresponding angles? If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal. Listen carefully. If the arms of the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal. Same direction and same side. Such angles are called as corresponding angles. Second, interior angles. What is mean by interior angles? A pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines. It should be on the same side of the transversal and inside. Okay, so such angles are called as interior angles. And what is mean by alternate angles? Pairs of angles which are on the opposite sides of transversal and their arms are on the transversal show or in the opposite direction of the transversal. Such angles, such pair of angles are known as alternate angles. Okay, now we just studied what is mean by corresponding angle, interior angles and alternate angles. In next video we'll study where we can locate it or what exactly it meant by with the help of diagram. Corresponding angles. See, here two lines are given, PQ and RS, and line AT is its transversal. Why it is transversal? Because line A intersects line PQ and line RS in two distinct points, that is point M and point N respectively. Now we study corresponding angles. Okay, here angle AMQ and angle MNS are the corresponding angles. How it comes? Because these two angles AMQ and MNS lies in the same direction of transversal and on the same side of transversal. Let's have a look in the figure. See, angle AMQ here and angle MNS here. These are, one arm is in the same direction, right? See, this arm is in the same direction and on the same side, that is on the right side. AMQ lies on the right side, MNS also lies on the right side of the transversal, and in the same direction means on the upside of the transversal, and getting me? See here. Therefore angle AMQ and angle MNS are the corresponding angles. Similarly angle AMP and angle MNR are also the corresponding angles. Let us show it with the help of chalk. I am tracing it, angle AMQ here, angle MNS here. These two are the corresponding angles. Similarly, angle AMP, this one, and angle MNR are also corresponding angles. Angle AMQ and angle MNS NS. Second pair, angle AMP and angle MNR. Similarly, can you name next two? Can you tell me more such pairs of corresponding angles? Yes, angle PMN, PMN and angle, correct, RNT are also corresponding angles. Similarly, angle QMN, this one, and angle SNT, this one, angle QMN and angle SNT are also corresponding angles. Let us have a look for interior angles. So what is the definition of interior angles? Interior angles are a pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside. Okay? On the same side and inside. Should I rub this? Yes. On the same side. Same side there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have seen such 4 pairs. But out of these, such angles we must select that those are lying inside these lines. Okay. So what are the angles inside? This 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the interior angles. Angle 1. For our convenience, I am writing like this. Interior angles. Interior, its meaning is very simple. Interior means what? Inside. Obviously, you will look for inside pair. Interior angles inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the interior angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also name it similarly like we did for the previous one. Angle QMN. QMN. Angle MNS. Angle RNM. And angle PMN. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are interior angles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. See. Angle QMN, angle SNM, angle RNM and angle PMN are the interior angles. And the previous one are the corresponding angles in the same direction on the same side of the transversal. What about this? In the same direction but inside the transversal or inside the lines. Such angles are called as interior angles. Now third one is alternate angles. What are alternate angles? Alternate means on right side, left side, right side, left side. This is called as alternate. Or you can say about days, Monday, then Wednesday, then Friday. These are the alternate days. Okay. In between Monday and Wednesday there is Tuesday. In between Wednesday and Friday there is Thursday. And in between Thursday and Saturday there is Friday. So like way, some alternate angles must lie between these angles. For our convenience, let's have a look on its definition. Pair of angles which are on the opposite sides of transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite directions. Such angles are called as, such pair of angles are called as alternate angles. So what are alternate angles? Alternate angles simply means on the opposite direction and opposite side. Okay. For example, in the figure, angle PMN and angle MNS. Look here. Shall I rub this? Okay. See. Angle PMN. This one. Okay. This angle PMN. And angle MNS. MNS means this angle. These are alternate angles. PMN and MNS. Opposite directions means this angle is down, this is on the upside, and on the opposite side of the transversal. One is on the left side of the transversal, another one is on the right side of the transversal. Getting me? See, in the opposite direction, down, this is on the up. Understood? Then on the opposite sides or opposite arms of the transversal. One is on the left arm, another is on the right arm. Such angles are called as alternate angles. How many such pairs are here in the figure? There are such interior angles. The first one we have seen. Now let's have a look on the other three pairs. Angle QMN and angle RNM. Angle QMN and angle RNM. These two. So is there any peculiarity in between these? All these four are interior angles. Okay. As they lie inside, so these are interior angles. We have seen that 1, 2, 3, 4 are the interior angles. So these are called as interior alternate angles. These pairs are called as interior alternate angles. See, angle PMN and angle MNS. Then second one, angle QMN and angle RNM. These are interior alternate angles. Are there any exterior alternate angles? The answer is yes. How? What are they? Angle AMP and angle TNS here. These are exterior alternate angles. Can you name one more such pair? What is remaining? Angle AMQ and angle RNT. AMQ up, this is down, right, this is on the left arm of the transversal. So what are alternate angles? Opposite direction, opposite side of the transversal. Very easy. Okay. So corresponding angles, same direction and on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles inside. Okay, this is very simple. Interior angle. And third one, alternate angles on the opposite direction, in the opposite direction and on the opposite arms of the transversal. I guess this is clear. For making this term more clear, we are going to solve some sums. Okay, that is practice set 2.1.